Sunday, December the 21st, 2025. First day of winter. First full day will be tomorrow. Winter came in at 10:03 this morning. So our first video this morning will be a last day of fall, first day of winter. And then our meal pictures will be first day of winter. And this will be a first day of winter. It is about 5 o'clock. Temperature is very nice. It's clouded up some, but the temperature is still nice and warm. Got up to about 62, I think. It's 54 now. No, it's 62 right now. Georgia 211 crossing over 85. There's been an awful lot of change. This is now a roundabout over here at Chateau Elan, or before you get to Chateau Elan. Back down there to the right is another huge subdivision being developed. They've changed the exit coming up through here. This is one of those larger roundabouts. Like I said, there are two of them up at exit 306 up there in White, Georgia. Cass White. And here's another. It's like a double roundabout. Let's drive into this subdivision here, Baymont. Publix that was down the hill, I think, has been moved further inland, or further out of 85, further north of 85. We'll check that out here in a minute. Yeah, another one of these huge subdivisions. I don't know where that road right now is dead ends, but they've got it where it's going to keep on going. Brazelton Village. Seen any prices yet. Mass graded slab houses. There again, like we're running across close to the street. By the time you get sidewalk in, there's no place hardly for. Now that must have a drive around back. A lot of these are going to have the drives in back, which is much better, because there's not enough room between the street and the house to actually have a garage and stuff. Those right there have that. And this is the amenities package and mailboxes. No individual mailboxes anymore. Here you have the example. Well, you've got one car in that garage there that's open. Slab houses, there's nowhere to store their stuff, so they fill the garage up with their stuff, and the driveway and the streets become parking lots. Okay, it is starting to get dark. Let's weave around here, just do a 180. Head back out, go down outside a little bit further, catch that Publix, and then we will head back to Arcade. Try to get these videos uploaded, create our new playlist for winter 25-26. We will come back in here when we have more time to spend and maybe walk through one of the houses. using the Insta360. We'll try to do that, or we'll try to go through a house somewhere tomorrow with the Insta360 where you'll have sort of a virtual tour, a spherical view of the house. I don't have any hope of making anything work, but tomorrow we are going to check out zero financing on the new vans. If we can find the engine combination and transmission and rear end that we want, we're going to tell the dealership to trade this one in. We've got to keep our note at $300 a month. So tell us how much down payment we've got to have. And when they do that, I'm pretty sure that will just eliminate our being able to do anything. Chateau Elan, right straight ahead. So the Publix moved to this larger subdivision, larger shopping center down here. The Publix was right down there in the hole on the right. All of that is gone. Well, it's not gone, it's just empty. The new Lowe's. Let's see, let's go out here and see what all is out here. Does the new Publix come out here? Yeah, Publix is out here, Lowe's is out here. All the traffic right here at 85. New homes from the 400s, Brazelton. So you'll have housing, yeah, right down to our right. You've got housing. You've got the Lowe's right there. And all this is at I-85 at the Chateau Elan exit. We don't need anything from Publix, so there's no need to go in, but we would like to use the bathroom. So we did see a Jiffy Johnny right back there. We will stop in it right quick. We can take care of that before we can park, get out and walk into the Publix. So let's turn this off for right now. You've got a Super Chicks, whatever that is. Jimmy John's Pizza. I'll turn it off. We'll pick it back up when we come out and go to the right when we leave out of this shopping center. Well, I'm a little reluctant to go out that way now. The sirens just went by. I don't want to get caught in some kind of traffic holdup. Big changes, lots of development. there. We are planning on turning right at this next intersection. We could go all the way to Georgia 53, but we'll just go ahead and turn right here and cut back over to Brazelton, Houston, and head on back to Arcade. Jackson County. I guess we were in Gwinnett, I guess. Or Barrow. I don't know which we were in. Here to the left is a University of Georgia agricultural park or forest, right there on the left at this curve. They have trails and stuff, interesting foliage. Thompson Mill Forest. This will bring us up on Georgia 53, just north of 85, or west of 85, whichever way the compass lays, probably northwest some. Well, I said this would, I was wrong. If we turn left there, that would bring us up to where I said. This is going to bring us right over into Brazelton. Anybody know if Kim Basinger still owns this Brazelton? I think she sold this recently. You know, she bought it, then I think sold it. Went to this city. I don't know anything about it anymore. Interesting little cemetery up here on the right. homes there. New stuff everywhere. We are coming up onto Georgia 53. Gainesville is to the left. Winder, Oconee to the right. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off. This will be a wrap.